you serious?
There's still more, Michael. There's like 3 rolls. Oh my goodness. Y'all are gonna kill me.
Man.
Whoa!
Oh my god. Y'all are gonna
That was a firework.
Man, whoever got these fireworks is really good.
Hey, were you there when they bought them?
No.
I was about to say, because
These are like really.
These are from South Carolina.
Oh yeah, those are them. Over there.
Because I recognize these. This is what they is.
They got a store over there. Oh.
No dip, Sherlock.
Well, that and they're really, really high, like value, like they're really high quality.
Yeah.
They're not that. Even though that was probably really,
Look,
really
there's a whole
fun.
smoke tower right there.
One of my neighbors was shooting off fireworks in his backyard.
That's dangerous.
She's like, where is it?
We nearly lit a house on fire. Remember that year, Michael?
Oh, these next ones.
Saying this is my girlfriend.
Congrats.
Yeah. This has been the longest relationship I can remember. Kindergarten does not count.
Definitely congrats then.
I can record.
Last year, my girlfriend dumped me by writing on my phone. Can you believe that?
That's sad.
Michael,
No,
how
I
many
won't speak
girlfriends
about
have you
that.
had over the years?
I've had
How many
3.
girlfriends have you had over these 2 years?
None.
Fireworks go boom.
Are you sure your girlfriend haven't dumped you yet? I'm a horrible.
We all know. We all know.
My butt's getting cold again. No, what, Michael? Why don't you go?
Why don't you get one of those butt warmers?
Yeah.
Ice skaters used, yeah.
Yeah.
Butt warmers.
How about them little packs?
So when are they
Or
fall on
leg
their
warmers.
butt?
They're called
There's something.
You okay? You okay?
What if one of those fell back and hit Jessica? That would be so fun.
That would be hilarious. I would laugh. Me and Michael and Levi would just die.
Michael would help me up, right? Because he's my big brother, and he would not let me get hurt, right, Michael? He wouldn't help you.
No.
He'll let the Lord get you up. The Lord can pick you up.
You might just sound like, hey, maybe I should do this.
Nobody says that anymore.
They say turn up. It's the Lord's version. Turn up. Are you turned up for Jesus?
Wow, that's on top of us.
Oh my goodness, I had to go like this. Oh,
That was actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
I saw that, I was like, well, this was going to be pretty cool. Come on.
Get the fire. Get the fire.
Michael, there's those little ones out of this shit.
Go time.
Go ahead.
Last firework's gonna be in this.
Hopefully this time it doesn't shoot up and start spinning around right in front of the faces.
Oh yeah, but that was fun.
You should have been here last year.
What do you mean?
I mean last year.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Like year before last year. For the 4th of July. What?
Was it big?
It was like spinning out right there. It was like a big one.
Last year was at the ocean.
No, it wasn't.
It was here.
Yeah. We've been here for 4 years, dude.
Makes you feel like you're firing cannons.
Yeah.
Can you imagine how much dominance they feel right now?
Yep. You know, they had this back in the Civil War.
Yeah, but theirs were fired out of cannons.
They had a lot of these.
We went to a gas station in South Carolina and they gave us all like 16 free fireworks.
What?
Yeah, they were like small chicken fireworks.
I want some. I'm gonna go to South Carolina.
Actually, firecrackers.
Man, look at that big cloud of smoke right there.
No America!
Do it again.
Encore!
Blow something up.
Yeah, stick one of them in that tree.
Yeah. No, there's somebody calling
That's the
cops on
finale.
us.
Then the cops come.
If somebody burns down that tree, we get thrown in jail.
You guys are good fireworks.
I don't think that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Y'all are good at fireworks. Yeah.
Nope. One more. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, there it is. It's done.
Hold on.
Yeah.
I gotta get my legs on.
Yeah.
Stick one in the tree.
Oh boy, you will get hit.
Stick one on top of Christina's head.
What? I'm too short.
One more.
One more. Okay, I guess it's the fun one.
This is a
Maybe
big
this
one.
was a bigger one.
Oh, you fooled me. I thought you were done.
Michael! Don't videotape me. I don't want to be videotaped.
I'm not even videotaping you.
He's not even videotaping you.
Not even videotaping me.
Videotaping the
Watch out.
fireworks.
Yeah, bro.
Feels warm, doesn't it?